You're wearing a 37,000 baht stainless steel Apple Watch band. Suddenly, a single microscopic screw backs out of the hinge, and the heavy metal bracelet drops from your wrist. When you take the scattered pieces to the Apple Store or the Hermès boutique, the retail staff will give you the runaround. They will tell you they don't stock the part, and they will refuse to authorize an in-store repair. We are going to solve this using a two-pronged approach. First, we secure an immediate physical repair right here in Bangkok. Second, we execute a high-level corporate escalation to secure a permanent warranty replacement. Taking direct control of the repair pipeline is how you override broken retail bureaucracy. Step 1 is triage. Gather the two separate metallic halves of the lug and seal them in a small plastic bag to prevent loss. Next, take clear, well-lit macro photographs of the empty screw thread inside the lug and snap a picture of your original purchase receipt. Under no circumstances should you try to fix this yourself using cyanoacrylate, standard superglue. Liquid glue will flood and permanently strip the delicate microthreads inside the stainless steel housing. If a technician sees chemical damage, your official warranty is legally voided. Strict preservation of the physical evidence is a non-negotiable requirement for forcing corporate accountability later. We need to bypass the local genius bar entirely. Frontline retail staff simply do not have the authorization codes or the inventory to replace a proprietary Hermès component. Instead, we send our evidence directly to the corporate executive relations teams, service.th@hermes.com for Hermès, and tcook@apple.com for Apple. Explicitly cite Thailand's Product Liability Act and quote the published Apple Watch Hermès warranty, which dictates that claims can be addressed to any Hermès store. You will receive an automated reply immediately. Ignore it. You are waiting for a direct response from a human executive assistant, which typically takes 4 to 5 business days. Messages sent to the CEO's office are filtered and routed directly to executive relations. They hold the authority to process zero-cost replacements for known defects. This digital escalation will run continuously in the background. While we wait for their reply, we are going to fix the physical band today. Since the official boutiques won't help, we are going to leverage Bangkok's independent gray market watchmaking infrastructure. Start at the Apple Store in Central World. Take the escalators down to the B1 level. We're heading to Expert Watch, a repair kiosk located between the Thailand post office and the coffee shop. They stock precision tools required to handle heavy Swiss stainless steel. When you hand over the band, give the technician precise instructions. You need a replacement microscrew with exactly a 1.15 millimeter thread. Utilizing this localized independent infrastructure is the only reliable method for achieving a same-day physical restoration of the bracelet. The technician must use a proprietary 0.9mm pentalobe screwdriver to safely engage the factory hardware without causing exterior damage. If they install a generic replacement screw, make sure they perfectly match their driver head to the new slot. Forcing an ill-fitting tool will strip the head and ruin the band. The reason the band fell apart in the first place is a manufacturing oversight. The factory omitted chemical thread-locking agents on the tiny lug screws. Before applying final rotational torque, the watchmaker must apply a microscopic bead of medium-strength anaerobic adhesive, like Loctite Blue, directly to the threads. Mandating this specific horological chemistry during assembly turns a temporary patch into a permanent structural repair. For a few hundred baht, you now have a structurally sound, fully assembled premium watch band that is safe to wear again. With the watch secure on your wrist, keep a close eye on your email inbox. The executive escalation we filed earlier historically results in a zero-cost replacement order for the entire band. Taking strategic, informed action completely circumvents retail bureaucracy, securing both immediate usability today and long-term warranty leverage for the future.